Welcome to a PHP basic recipe tutorial. This tutorial is an exercise in creating a basic user registration membership system. It is divided into three main sections. First, coding the registration and login scripts. Second, how the application could be extended. And third, creating the administrative backend of the application. Before going any further, now might be a good time to pause this video and get the tutorial materials together if you have not done so already. You should have a copy of the book and/or the code archive. You should have set up your development or testing environments and the tools that you're going to use for development. And lastly, you should decide if you're going to be working with the procedural or object-oriented MySQLi functions. I do discuss both of them in this tutorial. I suggest that you should be at an advanced beginner to intermediate level, familiar with creating and debugging scripts using PHP, know how to connect to a MySQL database server, and know the basics of structured query language. You will be using the PHP MySQLi functions to insert, select, update, and delete database records. This is not a production-ready application. It is more of a prototype that you can use as a model or starting point for your own application. I do not recommend that you run the code without making it more secure. There's no design provided. You must add the HTML or CSS for the design into the code. This gives you the opportunity to use your HTML and CSS skills to create a design from scratch or integrate this PHP code into an already existing design. This recipe is using the MySQLi extension to connect to the database server because the PHP developers have deprecated the original MySQL database extension. They recommend PHP coders should instead use PHP Data Objects, or PDO, or the improved MySQLi extension. This extension includes support for features that are available in newer versions of the MySQL database server.